How to renew Amazon Prime membership. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Amazon on your device. Log into your account. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. At the bottom, click on the second option. After you click on the second option, you'll find your profile. In here, click on Account at the top. After you click on Account, you'll find different options. In here, scroll down and click on Manage Prime Membership. After you click on it, here you'll find Send Details. You'll find details of your Prime membership. Click on it and you will be able to renew your Amazon Prime membership in this way. This is how to renew Amazon Prime membership. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.